Okay, so I'm in Zhuhai, China, and I'm gonna do a video about just the commerce in China, and I'll just kind of explain what's going on. And I actually have a channel too where I usually do Macau, but they have this kind of cool stuff here where people can be on their phones and massage. And I'm just gonna talk about all the entrepreneurial sorry, it's kind of awkward to be filming, but also just all it's kind of cool right there too. All the opportunity for entrepreneurialism. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yeah, this is just a little slice. We're in Zhuhai, China, and it's kind of what all of China's basically like. It's just all these entrepreneurial opportunities. And I was just thinking, you know, when I go back to the United States, it's just nothing like this at all. You know, you have to have a franchise and be in the commercial district. There's homeless everywhere. There's like a lack of there's shops, but they're like related to corporations and customer service and stuff like that. But here you can just open up a business so quickly and easily almost anywhere. And that's pretty much everywhere in Asia and China. Let's walk through this whole thing. So we just happen to be in Zhuhai, China right now. You got all these restaurants, and there's more. Over there is Macau, so that's actually the other side is Macau. You can see over on that side. We just basically crossed the border, and I'm gonna be, that's the other thing too, when they do pork, they usually put a pig out, which is kind of interesting as well. This restaurant is pretty common in Macau as well, and they got it in Zhuhai. But yeah, the entrepreneurial opportunities are amazing. And I was just kind of thinking about like how, you know, there's all these businesses pretty much everywhere. It seems so easy to open up a business that many people do, and like I wonder how much of this is really counted when they talk about, you know, I don't know how GPT works, gross national product and domestic product and all those things, but there's that's kind of cool right there too. There's just a lot of money available with all these small businesses. That looks kind of cool. Set up like that. These guys. So, pretty nice little place. So this is kind of alcohol soup. Alcohol tomato soup. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna head on down. We're actually in the train station, and I was kind of giving a little slice of Zhuhai while I contemplate China. And for people that don't know, I live in Macau, and I usually just do videos filming the streets of Macau, and I'll come over to China and do some small stuff sometimes too, because I live right on the other side of that border. Yeah, the entrepreneurism, just the fact that these can be opened up so easily. You know, in the United States, if I wanted to try to open up a small business, it would be, I just couldn't do it. But here you can open up these little shops, bags, this little mini soul. So yeah, little slice of China here, Zhuhai in particular. But I think this is kind of like this everywhere you go in China. There's lots of entrepreneurial opportunities. Okay, so we're gonna head on out into the street. Here's a little kung fu. There's a train over there. Kung fu. So we're gonna come right out into a convenience store. The train station is down that way. 7-Eleven is over here. And let me give you a little bit of context to where we are. Zhuhai proper city is that way. We're gonna go down this way. Zhuhai station. So I'm near Zhuhai station and Qingmao. Qingmao is connected to Macau. There's a Qingmao station. And then this right here is opens up from the train station of Zhuhai into the city. Yeah, I just had a pizza and it was 22 RMB, which is about $2, something like that, $3. Small pizza, but still. Okay, so now we're out into the middle of Zhuhai, to the city part. So, okay, a little slice of Qingmao Port. Zhuhai station entrance. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la